Welcome to CSV YummY recipes. Today's special recipe is biryani gravy curry. For this, I am taking a pan, heating 3 tablespoons oil. For that, I am adding quarter teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon cumin seed. Let them crack. For that, I am adding 1 red chilli, just saute it for a minute. Next, I am adding 1.5 cup onion, diced onion in small size. Saute it well. Keep it on a high flame. Keep on sauteing it till the onions become transparent. Now the onions have become transparent. I am adding 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. After adding ginger garlic paste, I am adding 3 cups of tomato puree. If you want, you can even add diced tomatoes. Keep cooking it on a high flame. Keep sauteing it on a high flame. Next, keep the lid on. Let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to stir it now. I'm keeping it on a high flame. Again, keep the lid on. I'm going to prepare a gravy for the curry. For that, I have taken the peanuts, 3 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoon of cashew, and then I have taken the 1 tablespoon almond, 1 teaspoon of coconut powder roasted, and these are the sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to blend all this now. Roasted peanuts, these are the cashews, next I'm adding almonds, coconut powder roasted, and then next sesame seeds. I'm adding some water to blend it, approximately half cup. Now tomatoes are very well cooked. It has been reduced to half the quantity. At this point, I am adding all the spices, 1 teaspoon salt, You can add according to your taste. 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, half teaspoon Coriander powder, quarter teaspoon chili powder. If you like spiciness, you can add more, and quarter teaspoon turmeric. Mix everything well. Saute it for a minute. After sauteing it for a minute, I'm adding the blended paste, peanut, sesame and the almond cashew paste. Mix everything well. I'm adding even some water as well. You can add up to 1 cup of water. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Now I am keeping the medium flame and cooking for 7 to 8 minutes. And keep the lid on. I am stirring it to check whether it is cooked or not. If it is not cooked, just cook it for 5 more minutes. If you like to add, you can add in this soya chunks or jalapenos or potato, or even if you leave it like this also, it will be tasty. Checking it whether it is done. The bubbles are popping. Now it is totally cooked. I'm checking for the salt. Yeah, it is perfect now. I'm taking it in the serving bowl. Switching off the flame. I took it in the serving bowl, and it goes well with the biryani, chapati or puri. Thanks for watching.